Hello there, Standard 5. How are you? Are you done with your last week's art? If you are done, don't forget to turn in, or you can send the picture to me through the Microsoft Team. Okay, if you see or if you have read your lesson overview for this week, you are going to produce an artwork which uses warm color and cool color. Do you still remember what are warm color and cool colors? Remember? Okay, so warm colors are colors that make you feel warm when you look at the color. When you are around that color, for example, red, orange, yellow, maybe brownish and pinkish color. And cool colors are colors that makes you feel cool, calm, and relaxed, especially colors like blue, green, light yellow. Okay, those are cool colors. So we are going to use both of those two groups, warm color and cool color, later. And today we are going to draw monsters. Okay, so I'm going to draw monster over here. I want you to create your own monster, as funny as possible, as creative as possible. You can draw the whole body, you can draw half of the body, or just the head parts. That's up to you. Just make sure that we are using both groups of the warm color and cool color later to make it look like the monster has a beautiful different colors on its body as well as the background. And you also can choose the options where you can put the monster color should in warm color and the background in cool color, or vice versa. That is up to you. Or you also can mix those colors on the monster as well as the background. Okay, so the reason we are using warm color and cool color is that we want to create a depth effect later. Okay, and when you are using warm color and cool color, also it creates a contrast in the color. If you use the same color, like for example, if you use red for the monster and red also for the background, there is no contrast in your colors, and it doesn't look interesting enough. Okay, right, so let's start. I'm going to draw a monster which half of the body only. Okay, I will start with the eye, I guess. I will use this pen because so that you can see later what I'm drawing. Okay, so let's say I'm going to draw the eye. Has a big eye. Okay, can you see? And a small eye. Maybe a small eye over here, like this. And then I want the monster to look upward. Looking upward, so I'm going to use the black crayon later and make it look upward, like this. And for the mouth, I want it to look like it's a grumpy monster. So it has a crooked mouth and sharp teeth. There you go. And after that, I want it to have a very weird looking ears that look like an elf ears, like this. And then okay, so we'll continue this side as well, because I want to make the effect look like the eye is bulging out. So I will stop the line of the head over here, and then I will continue here. Then the ear. Okay, just follow your imagination. So this should be the body, and then this should be the body of the monster. Okay, what else can we add over here? I guess I'm going to double this line later, and also the teeth. Okay, and then you can put some patterns on your monster, whatever pattern you want. You want it to be dotted pattern or line pattern. Okay, that is up to you. Maybe I want to put dotted pattern like this. Okay, some dots. Or you want the texture in the body to be like a little bit rough or bumpy, you can use those textures also. Or you can use scaly textures. Okay, furry or feathery textures. Okay, be creative. You don't always have to follow what I'm doing in the video. Okay, I want to see your creativity. Think out of the box. Okay, right. So as for the background, then you can do something else, the opposite. Okay, all right. So let's start with the color. I think I'm going to use cool color for the body, and then for the spots on the body I will use warm color, and for the background I will mix both warm color and cool color later. Okay. Okay, standard 5. If you notice, I use darker blue on the left side and lighter blue on the right side to make a transition of color. And apart from that, maybe you can try to put some shadow. Use the tip of your finger and just do some a little light of rubbing to create shadow under the eye of your monster. Okay, it will help to make it look like more realistic. Okay, make the eye look like it's popping out. Let's try. And other than that, can you try to put the very creative background over there? Okay, any background as long as using the warm color or the cool colors. Okay, right. I can't wait to see your artwork. Do your best and be creative. Bye.